Isn't it? Oh, oh.
Nice. Nice. I'd say pike. The pickerel. Heavy. Or a nice bass.
Don't know, but all I seen was his tail. All I seen was his tail.
Pickerel or pike, it looks like.
Probably a pickerel.
They're everywhere in this fucking place. Something's up there.
It's a bass. Not a big wound. Decent. That's a pretty nice bass, dude.
You want to swim? Shit. Oh, dude, that's a nice one.
You got the net, bud? Here, I can get him.
I
Can you move that fly rod? There we go.
That's a stud, dude.
There we go, guys. We're
Probably.
all right, guys. We got this nice largemouth here. Put a pretty big minnow on, so we're gonna get him back in. Pretty nice size largemouth. Get him back in.